Oi Tanish.
What do you want, disappointment?
English or Spanish?
Sorry, what?
Whoever moves first is gay.
Your nose, sniffing that K. Did you?
What the heck is that? Nah. How old are you? BRO, I'm a minor. Bye, you creepy UWU cat.
Hi, who are you? Get off me, Pulse. I don't like you. Oh my god, someone helped me. Creator, can I go back?
Can you go away? I'm taken. This one.
Girl, what the heck? We're only friends.
Shut up and play along.
My eyes. BRO, I'm a minor. I shall enter my villain era. Call your mum and dad. You this monstrosity, parents. I'm still going to do it.
Few minutes later.
Send me back now.
You got something in your nose, sniffing that K. Did you feel the?
You're gay.
English or Spanish?
You got something in your nose, sniffing.
Go away. You're a grown adult and I'm just some 12-year-old kid. NH, bro, what the heck? The heck, stop being Drake. Well, I'm going to daydream.
Wait, I don't know that thing.
Then why is she saying that? Then let me give you something.
It's time to go back.
Let me shot her.
Go away. Put your hand near my face.
𝔸𝕤𝕝𝕪𝕟-𝕞𝕖𝕙𝕣𝕒. Hey, can you eat this monstrosity?
What monstrosity?
Please don't eat me. This is why I summon you.
Let me eat her.
Few minutes later.
Happy BDAYTOU. Ayo, what the quack?
Shut up, and the creator was too lazy to make my birthday vid.
Does it look like I care bucket?
Where are your clothes? Were you not going to answer me?
What's that? Sorry, I died in 2000. Although I'm currently an adult but died as a minor, doesn't mean you can date me.